Robots can be almost like humans. But along with a marriage proposal, you might get an electric shock. Betty is spending a regular evening in front of the TV. There's nothing interesting on. I'm so bored. Oh, wait a minute. What is that? An ad for a robot boyfriend? That's amazing! $50% off too? What's the phone number? I need to order one right now! Hello, is this the TV shop? I would like to buy a robot boyfriend! Wow, that was easy! All that's left is to wait for the delivery. Yay! Finally! Delivery for you! Sign right here, please! These are the instructions for the robot. And now, the time has come! My new roommate! Oh, what a big box! And a vacuum as a gift? That's awesome! Wow, this is the best delivery ever! Okay, so it's obvious how to use the vacuum cleaner. But what about the robot? Well, maybe you should open the box first. Oh, he is so cute! And he's packed so securely. So, what now? I need to find the USB port. Oh, there it is! Connect my phone. Syncing now. Wow, he opened his eyes. And he sat down. That's unbelievable. Hello. Wow, he looks just like a living person. Will you sit down? Hello. Wow, he can talk. It's time to think about your new robot friend's wardrobe. Betty picked out a couple of looks. What is it? A doctor costume? No, it doesn't suit you. Get changed. Next up. Oh, that looks so scary and ridiculous. Hurry up and take it off. And this is just right. It fits you perfectly. Now you look like a regular guy. Let's test his capabilities. Can the robot cook? Let's choose the menu. Sushi rolls, a salad. That's probably enough. Task confirmed. Let's begin. Look at that poker face. This guy deserves a Michelin star. Enjoy your meal. Wow, this is delicious. Mmm. Betty is lucky to have such a great chef. Ah, finally, a few free minutes. It's a good time to read. But when the room isn't clean, Betty's mood is ruined. Ugh, so much trash. Normally, she might get upset. But not now, because she has him. A couple of clicks on her phone, and the robot will clean it up. It's so nice to be doing your own thing while the human gadget is cleaning up. Dreams do come true! And the bonus vacuum came in handy. Wow, what a great cleaner! Next step is laundry. I need your clothes. Wow, he is so thoughtful. He noticed a stain on my t-shirt. Wait a minute, Betty needs to change. Even in standby mode, the robot doesn't waste time. Wow, he's watering plants right out of his finger. Oh, poor thing. He got tired. He went into sleep mode. Knock knock. Hey, what's wrong? His battery must be dead. Well, that's okay. Let's get you charged. Take a nap. You've worked hard. And while the assistant's lying on the charge, the vacuum cleaner will take care of the floor. Oh, he's awake! Time to make a primitive friend. Looks like they understand each other. How about I go for a walk with the robot? I I'd like to show my unusual companion our beautiful world. And take some selfies with him. It doesn't matter that he's not talking. Betty can talk all she wants. I wonder if robots can draw. Let's find out. A piece of paper and a pencil are all you need. That's crazy! What a masterpiece! It's beautiful! Betty, this is for you! Oh, it's beautiful! I'm touched! But you have to be careful with hugs to avoid getting electrocuted. Oof! That was strong! The house is so nice now, all clean and cozy. All thanks to our wonderful little android. But the more familiar gadgets continue to do their best. Like the vacuum cleaner. But not everyone seems to be enjoying it. Turns out robots get jealous too. And the rival vacuum cleaner goes to the dumpster. Problem solved. Well done! You can rest and find out what television is. This is also a great excuse to make popcorn. First of all, you should study the instructions. Pour the kernels on the palm of your hand and find the right temperature. Heat up your hands. Oh, are you all right? Of course! He is just making popcorn. Hands instead of a microwave. Seriously? Here you go. The snack is ready. Unbelievable! And so convenient. But the robot isn't human after all. The most touching moments don't make him feel anything. Even if you cry in front of him, he won't be sympathetic. He just can't do it. You could try to teach him, but you have to be prepared for the consequences. Did he shut down? Looks like some kind of glitch. The best thing to do is just turn him off. And now, call the service center. You need to save the robot now! Okay, what do we have here? Let's check. He regained consciousness. I love you. He's fine now. Just don't overload him. Thank goodness he's okay. I love you. I love you. What? Are you getting sick? I love you. I love you. I love you. So, I have to do something about this. The robot got stuck. I love you. This is getting scary. I love you. I love you. I love you. I love you. How can I switch him off? I love you. But the phone won't listen to me either. What's going on? Why is everything malfunctioning? Oops! An unexpected appearance behind the curtains. And all with the same glitch? I need something from the kitchen. Not here and not there. But the loving robot is here. I love you. In one of the cabinets. Looks like he's going after Betty now. Get off me! Where can I hide from him? He's like the Terminator. I need to lock myself away so the annoying robot can't reach me. And call support immediately. Help! Oh, it was naive to think that a locked door would stop a robot. He just takes it off the hinges. And he keeps confessing his love. Yay! Help is on the way. System failure. We are taking him to the service center. What a day! Life is so boring again. Of course, Betty got used to her new friend. She'll have to have fun looking at the TV screen again. Well, well, well! A new model of robot boyfriend? And it's on sale? I have to order one now! Hello? Would you like to live with a real robot? Tell us in the comments. Like this video, subscribe to our channel, and click the bell so you don't miss more funny sketches on Troom Select.